Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you feeling today? I wish you will be enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is an English for grade 4. We are going to start unit number 11, Lend a Helping Hand. Yes, my dear fellow teachers, here is lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given below. You may click it, download it, or you can amend it for your ease. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Our today's lecture, lecture number 1, under the title of grammar, we will learn today about adjective and we will cover up page number 86, question number 7. Before in English for grade 4, we have already learned about adjectives and its kinds. Yes, my dear students, I hope you remember it. If you may not, you can watch this video lecture again. So our today's students' learning outcomes are: recognize meaning of common adjectives in relation to each other, e.g. huge, big. So today we are going to cover up this SLO. Yes, my dear teachers and my dear students, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions in Quran, Surah Tawbah, verse number 108, Allah loves those who keep themselves pure. Yes, my dear teachers and my dear students, so can you guess what this beautiful verse is telling us? Yes, this beautiful verse is telling us about the purity of our hearts. Allah Almighty loves those people who have pure thoughts, pure thinkings and pure heart. So definitely we must keep ourselves pure. So do you know, my dear students, so what is the word pure? Yeah, definitely it is an adjective. Okay, so let's refresh our knowledge. What are adjectives? Yes, my dear teachers, pause the video, get answer from your students and then come back. Good, welcome back. I hope you have responded it nicely and I can guess that you have got that what we are going to learn today. So what are adjectives? An adjective is a describing word. Which word? Describing word. It tells more about a noun. It explains the nature of a noun in a clear sense, e.g. busy, beautiful, deep, large, new, pretty, etc. Yes, my dear students and my dear teachers, so what are adjectives? So an adjective is a describing word, a word that describes another word we can say another noun, definitely noun it can, and it tells about more about a noun, that which type of noun it is. Okay, so if there is, we can say like busy, so it means so noun is busy, and that noun we can use beautiful, which type of noun that is so beautiful, deep, large. So these are examples of adjectives. Yes, an adjective usually appears before the noun it describes. So what is the structure while we are writing a sentence and while using adjective in a sentence? So we usually, not always, we usually write adjective before the noun it describes. So let's judge in these examples, my dear students. Ayat is an intelligent girl. So you can see in this example that Ayat is an intelligent girl. Intelligent is an adjective and girl is a noun. So intelligent is qualifying noun, telling more about that girl, that which type of girl that is. So next is Subhan is an innocent child. Yes, so what this adjective is telling us about Subhan, so which type of child he is? He's so innocent. So you are also innocent. Don't worry. Yes, we have a beautiful house. So this is also qualifying a house. House is a noun and beautiful is an adjective. The students of grade 4 are very bright. Yes, my dear students. So you are also in grade 4. So it's for you. This adjective I have used for you, for my dear students. You are also bright, alhamdulillah. So students of 4th class, are very bright, shiny students. So let's see, some adjectives are related to each other in meaning. For example, huge, big, huge, small, little, pretty, beautiful, etc. Yes, my dear students, so these are also adjectives. So some adjectives are related to meaning with each other. Means we can say that we can use an alternate adjective as also to qualify a noun, and it will give us the same meaning. So same like that, like big, big, and huge, same meaning we have. So let's see in these examples. Huge, big, same meaning. The elephant is huge, the elephant is big, so same meaning is there. Next is bright, shiny. So this is a bright and shiny background we have, so you can get that, and we can see bright things clearly. Yes, small, short, same, that this is a little puppy dog, small dog, short. We can say, and fresh, new, this is a fresh flower. So do you like flowers? I also like. Pink rose is my favorite, pink and red rose. So which is your favorite flower? Tell your teacher. Okay, good. Yes, so let's perform an activity to learn more about adjectives. Once students understand adjectives, give them chance to begin to explore shades of meaning. Different shades of meaning mean different adjectives. In this activity, students put together puzzles by looking for adjectives that mean something similar on the board. Engage whole class in this activity. Yes, that this puzzle will be given to the students by teachers. Yes, my dear teachers, you will provide different puzzle of words related adjective to your students, and then you will call them to write same meaning, that adjective that have same meaning on the board. So engage whole class in your activity. Pause the video and perform this activity in your class. So welcome back. I hope you have enjoyed and you have got knowledge about adjective. So now it's time to perform an individual activity in your class. Open English book, page number 86. Question number 7. Write adjective for the given words which are similar in meaning. So you will write these adjectives, my dear students. You will perform this activity in your class under the supervision of your teacher. Yes, my dear teacher, pause the video and get this activity into their notebooks. Excellent job, and you have got it good. So what's our homework for today? Write 10 adjectives similar in meaning in your notebooks. So you will write 10 more adjectives you will find from here and there. You can search internet also. So you will find, you will use your mind, and then you will write in your notebook. Yes, my dear teachers, this is worksheet, and this worksheet is given below. Click it, download it, and amend it for your ease, and provide it to your students to get more knowledge about adjective. So what we have covered up today? Today we learned about adjectives. We also learned that some adjectives have similar meaning like short, long, thin, lean, etc. So in this way we have covered up our SLO. Recognize meaning of common adjectives in relation to each other: huge, big. Yes, my dear students, I hope you have enjoyed today's lecture with a lot of fun. So tomorrow with a new lecture. See you soon, inshallah. Allah Hafiz.